Seng BJP Mekhla State Unit mentakasni ke syitarik unailar arja RFR kelap pelong ya kejeng yakhi anang bak shelong ban persya ya kejeng pendik joki pulit ya kinengiram bak kitkhot jaka seng BJP ya pok Mekhla ya kani kejeng yakhi la pelong anang bak shelong pok kejeng ilam jong ba Ernest Mori ubrang presiden jangka BJP Mekhla State kani kejeng yakhi persya kejeng halong halor baki pulit kelap pendik ya kitkhot baki ilam jangka BJP hadir kejeng syakam jong Bernard Armarak hakbri bat ke jingja hapok nong bak tura bakade bat ka resort ke jong u nakaleng joka seng kala raru bane kendu ya ulat jong ka jala Ustatiapan Malik manujor halor kan ke jingle bakanya thambor jong ki pulit persya ikin ngalam jong ke BJP da ka bakaong bakade ke jing themu jong ni ka sarkar pemerintahan pedik ikin ngalam jong ke BJP haman lagi jaka ke bakidan kit khat jong ka seng khamtam ya ke jing khre ya ka election arjar arpulai
kalong ban protes kadai ka peace protes ya ka jingle palat chong ka bor kaan kata kamut ya UDC chong ka West Karo Hills wan USP chong ka West Karo Hills hagba kladon ka jingja ka susi hadin bakila kemno ya vice president badai sitting MDC chong ka tura ya kata ngimla ban keren ai nomar kadai hapo kadang don hayin bisar ngimla ban keren ai bakaan kanya chakmat hanrei ka jingdon chong kini UDC khamtam ban USP kan kta yakane ke inquiry namar ba ka jingle palat ke joki ha ka kila khot ya u district president yu general secretary khamtam kila pensyong hapo thanat da ki phau kanta bat kila khot man la kasni ban sim ni statement hanrai kim sim bat haba kli balai ti khot kumne kimla ban jubak da kane kade ke jingle ben ka jing kajing le palat keban kaliang cung ke parti ngin penrem juri kane bat ngan ong yepi nomar ke election kalajan kibreu ki badon hakabor khamtam ki badon ke sarkar kin pendon kam ya kane bat khamtam haslong ngidon ki constituency ki bayak lelang bobon ki jat benriu ki basyong ka 18 west ka 19 south ka penthor bat ka 17 north kane ka 17 north slong ngidon ki jat benriu beper basyong kane ka hakide ki constituency nakaliang ke jongi ngimkwa bakane kan peteng hakaba nakaliang jongkaan ki board district kin pensitom lana kin harash ikin trejui larangim persya ikane lese kin persyang hatura kila pan persyang haslong ru dan nakaliang jongi kum ke parti ngiyang banya yang persya ikane bat ngakerpa ya pi baro ki badai ki nong trekam ki member jong ke parti ngin ya telilang namar bakane ke jingjia kan jia bat ngatip ru babon ki constituency ki borong sensitif ki badon kine ki weipat ki political party ki bangang pa banjer kerteng kin sap pendon kam ya kapor ke jongki kapor election kade kapor ingi bangin persya menta krang bakiru kin smongtho bakane kade kari sunsyar pai pa phimla ban khang yenu idon ka hok man kasyan ni kanu no ka party ka bangi kwa phimla ban penbor kasyan ni ka party jonga kersyani ke parti jongta kadai ke hok ke jongpi kadai ke ri sinsyar pai ba ke bamangi ka konstituen jong ri India kala ai yangi kata ke hok bangin jit ekonomik mak ai bangin jit kat kum kamon ke jongi om ban chu penbor lana ban le da kata harassment ha ka bakan saja kibun ki jaka ngiruk ngiyok ke jingtip idon ki intelligence ki badai no po center intelligence kila ai information na ta daw ngidai ban long ki bla pengkre ban yale persya ya kane kecing ban ben tang itahi ngakerpat ifisia bangin yami da ka bajai ngin yang te posurok ngin ya protes ya kane da ka baai da ka slogan ka bangira tho hakitu kecing tho mentan dengan try ngin stangno namarba on the last Saturday but from the deputy commissioner of East Kasil they denied to give us the permission and same thing in Tura also. But last Saturday, the peace protest against this atrocities of the Deputy Commissioner of West Karo Hills and the SP has been held in Tura. So now we are doing this peace protest in Shillong today. After this, we are going to submit the memorandum to the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya immediately to remove the DC and the SP of the West Karo Hills for fair investigation with any case, and we want to stop these atrocities and harassment to our party workers, because if we are not protect this today, then they'll repeat the same thing in other districts. So that is our motto today. We condemn
Escrows.
we demand
Justice.
We demand
Justice.
We demand removal.
Justice.
We demand removal of SP and DC.
West Carols.
We demand
Removal of SP of DC on West Carols.
We demand justice. We demand justice.
So I think we have already written in this placard about our demand. So I think the important thing is that we'll go and hand over the memorandum to the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, so that he can give direction to the government immediately or removal of the SP and DC of West Carols.
Will you also be writing to the Chief Minister for this issue?
No, right now we have decided to give only to the governor. Later on we will see. So this protest today will take place in the Rivoy district and in Shillong city. Here we have done it today, and we are waiting for the report till evening. Same type of program will take place in other districts also.